Hi, Ken.
Hello.
I want to talk to you about bad lifestyle choices.
Bad lifestyle
Yeah.
choices. Well, there's a lot of those out there.
I know. So, let's say you're gonna go on vacation, and let's say you're gonna go to the beach, and let's say you want to have some frosty drinks. Can C60 help?
Well, actually, C60 does have a moral hazard.
What does that mean?
Well, it means that you can take like a C60, like maybe let's say a teaspoon to a tablespoon of C60 before you drink.
Okay.
And then you take that teaspoon or tablespoon after you drink.
Really?
And the next morning you wake up without a hangover, which is a moral hazard because, sometimes when you overdo it, you probably should pay the price. But with C60, you can kind of short circuit that and not have a hangover the next morning and take another dose of C60 and be ready to go.
Okay, so for those people that work hard and play hard and they're interested in what you have to say about this topic, can you tell us the science behind this? Like why is that something?
Well, one of the things is when you have, let's say, too much alcoholic beverages, the alcohol breaks down, and as it breaks down, it causes oxidative radicals.
Okay.
And then those oxidative radicals can go off and cause damage. Well, when you have C60 circulating around, it neutralizes those oxidative radicals before they can do damage.
Okay.
And so you simply don't get that. And we also see that with athletes. Like when people taking C60, they don't get that DOMS, which is delayed onset muscle soreness, as much as when they aren't taking C60. So they can work out, so your recovery times are shortened. And it's the same way with drinking. Your recovery times are shortened from drinking. So I know it's a bit of a moral hazard, but if you want to get up the next day and keep going, C60 is maybe something you want to try out.
Do you have any recommendations for easy to consume C60 methods if you're going to be drinking?
Well, there's always the gummies.
Okay, and they're available and sugar-free now.
That's right. Maybe one or two gummies before you eat, and then maybe a drink, and maybe one gummy afterwards.
Okay.
Or you could just, we have our little droppers that you can use. That's always, you can kind of measure out, do a couple droppers full before you go and a dropper full after. And it's easy to keep, in your purse or person because it's small.
Okay, great. Thanks, Ken.
You're welcome.